Spicing up your English. Expressing likes with adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in our series on conversational English. Today we are going to dive deep into expressing likes using adjectives. It's time to make your English more colorful and exciting. Adjectives are powerful tools in language that add depth and detail to our sentences. They help us describe how much we enjoy or like something by giving us the flexibility to express our preferences with greater intensity and specificity. Now, let's start by revisiting what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. For example, in the sentence, I like my blue car. Blue is an adjective because it describes the car. When it comes to expressing likes, we often use adjectives before nouns to share what we enjoy. For example, I love spicy food, where spicy is the adjective describing the kind of food you like. Moving on, let's explore some examples of sentences using adjectives to express likes. Each of these sentences will include an adjective that shows a preference. 1. I enjoy peaceful evenings at home. Here, the adjective peaceful describes the type of evenings the speaker likes. 2. She adores vibrant colors in her artwork. In this case, vibrant is the adjective that describes the colors she likes in her artwork. 3. They like intense workout sessions. Here, intense is the adjective describing the kind of workout sessions they prefer. Remember, the adjective you choose can convey a lot about how much you like something. The more descriptive your adjective, the clearer your preference. To help you get comfortable with using adjectives, try to create your own sentences. Think about your favorite things, and then describe them using adjectives. For instance, if you like music, you might say, I love upbeat music. Or, if you enjoy reading, you could say, I appreciate intriguing novels. Practicing in this way will help you get used to incorporating adjectives into your everyday English. There you have it. I hope this video helps you enrich your English expressions by using adjectives to convey your likes. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so start using adjectives to express your preferences today. Thanks for joining, and until our next video, happy learning!